JCI Catanduanes. It's here at 3 actually, just to correct the slide. This is being sponsored by JCI Makati. I solicit a motion from the board to formally affiliate the entity.
Mr. Chair, may I seek a motion for the affiliation of JCI Catanduanes?
There's a motion for the approval of the affiliation of JCI Catanduanes. Any second? Unanimously seconded by the 2024 National Board. Any objections? Discussions? Hearing none. The motion for the approval of the affiliation of JCI Catanduanes is hereby approved and carried.
On behalf of JCI Lipa, we would like to congratulate JCI Catanduanes on a very successful year. Pres Josh and I have been good friends during the President's Academy, and I saw his passion and dedication when it comes to his work and his chapter, JCI Catanduanes, which is why I know it's a well-deserved feat to achieve many milestones for the year 2024, and I'm pretty sure that JCI Catanduanes will accomplish more for the term 2025, and we can't wait to see more of JCI Catanduanes. Looking forward to seeing you again, Pres Josh. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello, Batsy Josh and JCI Catanduanes. Wishing you a meaningful holiday season and a prosperous new year. Good luck sa atin sa 2025, and may the Lord guide us in all our undertakings.
Hola, JCI Catanduanes. Congratulations on your charter year. We're excited to partner with you and the impact you will make in the communities that you serve and in our larger community. Welcome to the JCI Bicol family, and super excited kami. JCI Pili Sarong nandito lang, and we will support in whatever way we can. So You are very lucky to have to be led by Pres Josh, very dynamic, very energetic and vibrant leader. So congratulations, and andito lang kami. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Day, GCI Catanduanes. As the year comes to an end, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for all your hard work, dedication, and commitment to the GCI mission. This year was not without its challenges, but you have proven your resilience and passion for serving your community and making a difference in the lives of others. Your efforts in living the values of GCI, faith, brotherhood, service, and love of country are truly inspiring. Together, we have shown that through collaboration and action, we can achieve remarkable things and create a meaningful impact. In behalf of GCI Legazpi, Merry Christmas, Pres Josh, and GCI Catanduanes, and Happy New Year. Over the past months, we have built a strong partnership and collaboration, which I deeply valued. I look forward for continuing this meaningful journey together as we work toward even greater achievements. May your Christmas be filled with joy, love, and blessings. And may the coming years bring more opportunities, success, and growth for all of us. Congratulations. Thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi, GCI Catanduanes. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I hope we can have a collab projects, and God bless you all. Bye from GCI Naga Cariñosa.
So maray na banggi sa Indogabos, mga tugang ko dyan sa GCI Catanduanes. So this is the time to celebrate our year-end celebration. So aram ko kadakol kitang pinag-agihan ngunya na taon, mga bagyo, ng mga pagsubok, so mga challenges. Pero syempre dahil dapat magtapos ang taon na dahil tayo celebrate ang taon na ini. So enjoy the party, guys. Enjoy the food. Enjoy the fun activities na yaon dyan. Irinuman at yan. So, good luck din kay Pres Josh sa leadership. Aram ko kadakol pang nagigibo. Dahil muna pag sobrang tibayan. Huwag masyadong galingan. Pres Josh. So, luway-luway lang. Mag-relax-relax din. Grabe ang activities na ginigibo and project. So, hopefully, magkaigwa man kitang collaboration dahit Kabiog and Catanduanes. So makabisita ka mo digdi or kami man makabisit din dyan sa Magayon Nindong Isla. So once again, dahil ko napalo yun, nakikiparty na lang ako sa Indo, nakikipailaw-ilaw na lang din. So itagay na lang nindo ko. So yun, good luck and enjoy the night. Bye-bye guys. See you in person guys. See you all.
Hello JCI Catanduanes, Merry Christmas. Thank you for your hospitality the last time we visited you. Hope we can work together again and see you soon. Take care. Happy New Year.
To Pres Josh and our JCI Catanduanes brothers and sisters, a Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. May this Yuletide season bring us joy, peace, and happiness. Congratulations to the year 2024 and looking forward for the year 2025. God bless on your 1 year to lead, and much love from your JCI Davao brothers. Bye!
Hi Pres Josh and JCI Catanduanes, nakakatuwa lang na ma-meet ko kayo and alam ko na mas marami pa tayong project na pagsasamahan, and behalf of JCI Tabaco, binabati ko kayo na Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Woo!
Hi, JCI Catanduanes brothers and sisters, and to my batchmate President Josh Tadoy, warm greetings from JCI Makati. Congratulations on your first year-ender fellowship and for embracing your 2025 theme, Shaping the Future. It aligns perfectly with JCI Makati's Accelerate the Future as we work together to drive innovation and create a brighter tomorrow. Wishing you a meaningful fellowship and joyful holiday season. With that, my name is Mark Dennis Uyaco, the 2025 JCI Makati President.
Hello, JCI Catanduanes! Congratulations for a year well done. Tapos na naman ang isang taon and enjoy kayo sa party nyo tonight. Deserve nyo ang gabing ito. And congratulations, Fresh Josh! Congratulations for the 2024 BOD and for the incoming, kayo pa rin, BOD for 2025. And hope to see you all soon. Excited to meet everyone. And of course, let's cheers to a more meaningful year ahead.
Good evening, JCI Catanduanes. Una-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Fresh Josh at sa inyong local organization sa lahat ng mga nasimulan niyong magandang proyekto sa inyong komunidad. And I wish you all the best for your future projects and endeavors in your locality. And at the same time, asahan ninyo na ang Area 3 Board ay nakaalalay sa lahat ng local organizations sa buong Area 3. And I want to greet you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yun lang po. And God bless us all. Maraming salamat.
Hello, JCI Catanduanes! Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan sa Catanduanes? Happy New Year and congratulations to each and every one of you who've done the chartering of JCI Catanduanes. Congratulations, Fresh Josh, and to all the members, to your board of directors. We're looking forward for 2025 and JCI Makati will just be here to support you. Again, congratulations and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Mabuhay!
Good afternoon, Press Joshua and JCI Catanduanes. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you and of course, Happy New Year. Kasama ko po ngayon si pinaka-sexing secretary ng JCI, si Sec CJ, tapos si Arsec Monmon at si Asec Maya. Ayan. Happy New Year din daw, sabi nila, at Merry Christmas sa inyo. Hopefully, next year, you'll win the most outstanding new local organization. Kaya tuloy nyo lang yung ginagawa nyo at sana mapalaki nyo pa ang JCI movement dyan sa Catanduanes. So, again, tuloy nyo lang kung yung ginagawa dyan, tumulong kayo sa community, and very thankful, lalo na nung nagkaroon dyan ng bagyo, isa kayo sa mga unang responding non-government organization. Ayun. So, again, I'm wishing you the best for next year, 2025. And see you soon, Press Joshua and JCI Catanduanes.
Hi, JCI Catanduanes. I am Mark Francisco, your 2025 National Skills Development Director of JCI Philippines and from JCI Makati. So, kung from JCI Makati ako, syempre kayo ang aming anak na chapter. So, Happy New Year to all of you. To Press Josh, nandyan din si Asec Jack. Ayan, Happy New Year sa inyo dyan. And to all members of JCI Catanduanes, we are excited to what lies sa inyo, no, for 2025. Ano pa yung pwede nyo magawa to your community there in Catanduanes, and kami din, sana as a national organization, paano kami makakasupport sa inyo, and yung kami bilang JCI Makati, paano kami makakatulong and mananurture and matitrain namin kayo. So, Happy New Year everyone! JCI Catanduanes!